So you've recently developed an interest for cooking and now want to start from the basis? Watch this. Why do most cooking videos start off with warm oil and a chopped up onion? Onion serves as an oil absorber. It also adds sweetener to your dish, and it's a spectacular flavor enhancer. Today we're making meatballs and spaghetti, and it's store-bought meatballs because this is cooking for beginners, right? Now the trick to knowing when your oil is ready is that there must be a sizzle. You don't want to add your meat to the oil and it's still cold, because the meat is going to absorb that cold oil, and that's not what you're looking for. You're looking for this sizzle. You want to brown your meat. Once your meat has a nice, delicious, hard, cracked brown on the outside, you add your onions to start absorbing the oil, and add a little ginger and garlic. That enhances the flavor, and it also helps take away the meaty animal taste or scent that you get from raw meat. Once my onion was soft, I added a can of tomato and onion puree. I topped that off with some herbs, because now what we're adding is seasoning and herbs. So I've added some mixed herbs and some thyme. And this 6-gun grill is your holy grail, especially for beginners. It has every single spice that you require for the perfect, delicious dish. You don't even have to add a lot of salt, just a touch after that, and your dish is good to go. At this point, you want your tomatoes to cook in the gravy. You want your meatballs to cook into the tomato, but your meatballs are not going to get soft because you already crust the outside. You're going to cook on high for about 10 minutes and then lower for about 15. You're going to top with some sugar or a drop of honey. This is just to kill the acidity in the tomatoes and add a touch of sweetener. Allow to simmer and dish with your favorite carbs. Travis is having sourdough bread and I'm having spaghetti. Enjoy!